working on this ice merchandiser. 18 degrees. It's R134A. There's our suction pressure. 9-degree evaporator. It's not going to cut it. Look at this. Somebody got a little hot. So let's go ahead and crank this down. And we'll see if it'll pull into a vacuum. There she is flipping down. Let's see if it'll hold. No, listen. Going right by. So there's another compressor with bad valves. You can actually hear that one blowing through. Let me get some numbers for this guy. I'll show you that again. So there's the pressure came back up. The valves shut off. It came back up to 23. So there we are running. Go ahead and pump her down. She'll go into a vacuum, no problem. Now watch and listen. We'll go ahead and shut her off. You can hear it hissing. And then there comes the pressure right back up. So that little guy's got bad suction valve. It got mega hot. Look at that. You can see all the discoloration. So we'll get a freshie on there. Okay.